Hello students, how are you all? Today we will study chapter 4 of our English language book, that is pronoun. So what is the meaning of pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. So to understand the definition of pronoun, we will be doing some exercise. So let's see what is the exercise. Fill in the blanks to learn about Goldilocks and her friends. So there is a given sum of the fill in the blanks and we have to fill it. So here is a girl, we can see here. So what she says, "Hi, I am Goldilocks." So her name is Goldilocks. Okay? And they are my friends. So who are they? They are bears and they are her friends. Okay students, they are her friends and the girl names is Goldilocks. So the first one is, he is a father bear. So we'll be writing here, father bear. And she is a mother bear. So she is mother bear. Okay students, and it is a baby bear because it is a small child, that is why we are using it for the baby bear. Use with the pronouns, so we will use she, he, it, they, he. Okay students, so that is why we are using it over here. It is a baby bear. Like, "Hi, I am Goldilocks." So what is the pronoun over here? I is the pronoun, and here they are my friends. So students, they is the pronoun. Likewise, he is father bear. So student, he will be pronouns. And the third one is she. She is a pronoun. That means she is a mother bear. So now we will do, we are Goldilocks and 3 bears. So students, now Goldilocks we are Goldilocks and the 3 bears. So students, here the girl is saying that we are Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Will you be my friends? So what student? She is also asking us that, will you be my friends? So now we will learn who are exactly the pronoun words are. The words he, she, it, they, we, you, I are pronouns. Use them in place of nouns. So students, as I have told you that pronouns are the words which are used instead of nouns. We use she with female nouns. Like if she is a girl, then we will be using she instead of her name. Like this, She is Mia. She has a pet. She can skate. So students, see, this is a girl. These are three pictures of the girl. First, what's her name? She is Mia. The second one, she has a pet. And the third one is she can skate. So now we will be using for the male nouns. That means if there is a boy, we will use he for it. So how we will use it? He is Jay. So there is a boy whose name is Jay. So who is he? He is Jay. He has a pet dog. What he has? He has a pet. He can paint. What he is doing? He can paint. We use it with animals, objects and babies. So students, we use it for animals, babies and objects. So likewise, you can see the bird over here. So it is a bird. So you can see a doll over here. So that is an object. So it is a doll. And now we can see here is a baby. So it is a baby. So now student, we have to color the balloons to match the correct boxes, then join them to the correct pronouns. So students, what I have told you that he is used for male, she is used for female and it is used for things and objects and animals. So students, we will be matching all these with the pronouns which are given here like this, like he, she and it. So now we will match it. So, okay. So the first is pencil. So where what is a pencil? It is an object. So we will be matching with here. Okay. As it is with mother. Mother is a female, so we will be matching here. Aunt is a female, so we will be matching here. Queen is a female, so we will be matching here. Cat is a animal, so we will be matching here. King is a male, so we will be matching here. Boy is a male, so we will be matching here. Brother is also a male, so we will be matching with he. So now we have to do the exercises, fill in the blanks also. Fill in the blanks using he, she or it. Then read the complete sentence. So students, now first we have to fill the he, she or it, whichever is suited word over here, and then we will have to read it. So this is Rahul. So students, this is Rahul. And what he is doing? He is a small boy. He has a bat. So we will be writing here he. He has a bat. He is a good player. Okay, students? Now, there we can see a girl here. Okay, students? So, what her name is? Her name is Hazel. Okay? This is Hazel. So, she has her bunch of flowers. So, students, this is the bunch of flowers she had in her hand. She has brown hair. So, the girl has a brown hair. She also has a pet dog. So, she has a pet dog. So now this is the second exercise. So what we can see here, there is a duck over here. So what the duck is? It is a animal. So we'll be using it for it. So it is white in color. It has a yellow beak. It swim in the water. Okay, students, this is how you have to fill it in your book. Okay, learn. Look at the pictures, read what they are saying. So students, we have to look at the pictures and see what they all are saying. I am Ronit. I am a boy. So Ronit is saying that he is his name is Ronit and he is a boy. See, I am Tina. I am a girl. I am Maya. I am a woman. So it is used to talk about oneself. So it is used for when you are talking about yourself.